Hi, I'm Julian, the Deputy Lead of R&D at DreamLab Singapore, which leads software, data, and AI development for Screening Eagle Group. Screening Eagle develops industry-leading sensors and software for the inspection of assets like buildings, roads, and bridges. With our technology platform, we help asset owners to document, predict, and maintain their assets' health to extend their life and long-term value.
I'm Liang, a 3D graphics engineer on the R&D team. As a 3D graphics engineer, my typical workdays involves discussing, experimenting, and prototyping features or solutions. I also fix bugs for any 3D-related components for our existing apps.
For me, I start most days by staying updated on tech news and research until our daily stand-up. Afternoons are spent coding and attending various internal and external meetings. As part of the R&D team, I get to experiment with new tech, iterate new ideas quickly, and transform them into valuable tools for customers.
DigiPen alumni stand out for several reasons. Their rigorous education prepares them well for the workplace, allowing them to seamlessly integrate into the team and tackle challenges with best practices. What's more, they possess in-depth 3D graphics knowledge and experience, a unique strength from DigiPen.
DigiPen's emphasis on strong C++ fundamentals and specialized engine development as well as programming knowledge has helped me to adapt quickly and learn new concepts within the industry easily.
In addition to the raw technical rigor of C and C++ programming, DigiPen also instills a unique perspective on creative problem solving, thanks to the indie game development projects we did in school. This has allowed me to bring an innovative, can-do mindset to tackle challenges at work, and the technical foundation to pick up any technology required.
What a privilege to have two DigiPen alumni on my team. They're awesome thinkers and problem solvers, capable of generating and executing great ideas.